Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to submit a paper for your writing tutor appointment. We're going to start off on the St. Leo portal website, my.stleo.edu. After signing in under online services, click Lion Share. To the left of the screen is a list of options. Under Learning Tools, click Courses. Then under My Courses, click Center for Academic Vision and Excellence. To the top of the screen are some options. You're going to click on Paper Submissions. Then on the screen you'll see some basic instructions. Upload your file 48 hours prior to your scheduled appointment. This is in order to give the tutor time to review the paper you wrote. You can submit more than one file. For example, if you have a specific rubric, or if you want to attach the syllabus, or simply show the tutor the instructions. Okay, so scroll to the bottom, click Add File. Okay, click Add. And if you want to simply give the tutor some information, extra information, for example, you want them to focus on one section of the paper, you may write a comment in the comment section. Then press Submit and click Done. And that's it.